Hello everyone, my name is Diksha Agarwal and I'm working with Genpact as a business analyst in Gurgaon. For me, I always thought French is gonna be a little difficult to learn because I'm not a smart kid or I'm not a nerdy kind of a person. But since I've come under the guidance of GSS Foreign Language Institute and Deepak Sir, it has been such a piece of cake. So every time I learn, it's so interesting and fun that I really don't feel that I'm new to this. And because I am working, I get a lot of stress because of work. But whenever I'm during this class, all the kind of stress or all the kind of pressure that I have on work, it's all gone, and I am so happy by the end of the class that I really don't want it to end so soon, and I really want it to continue. But yeah, every good things has to come to an end. But this has been such a great experience that I would suggest every person, please go ahead and sign up yourself to GSS Foreign Language Institute, because it honestly will give you the correct kind of information, the correct learning. And if at all you have any kind of stress, probably you will get that stress relief also from the kind of learning that we get from Deepak Sir. So yeah, all the best guys. It's just amazing experience that I'm learning from Deepak Sir. So yeah, thank you.